Hello dear students, in this video we will solve exercises of lesson 16 conjunction class 8. Exercise A, here we will use coordinating conjunction to fill the blanks. First number, Jaya helps me for she cares for me. Second, it was raining so I put on my raincoat. Third, Sheila is talented and she is successful. Fourth, I was angry but I did not reveal my feelings. Fifth, Jadip was feeling cold so he put on a coat. Sixth number, Jayant doesn't like studies nor does he like to do work. Seventh number, Rajesh needed some money so he took up a part-time job. 8 number, Shireen and her sister have been invited to the conference. 9 number, I think the program will be a huge success for you have all worked very hard. 10. Kamal doesn't like dogs but he loves playing with my pet. 11 number, hurry up and close the door or the dust will blow into the house. 12 number, Mahima dropped to office for she did not want to be late. Exercise B, join these sentences with coordinated conjunction. First number answer is, I was exhausted but I had to go out. Second, she was unwell so she went to the doctor. Third, I will go with you but I have a condition. Fourth, he is not a scholar but a good writer. Fifth, the concert was cancelled so we went to the theatre. Sixth number, he will succeed in his mission for he is a committed worker. Seventh, he is an architect but is interested in creative writing. 8 number, he was absent for a long time but he did well in the examination. 9 number, Syed gave me a rare plant along with a book on rare plants. 10th number, Latika worked hard but she did not succeed in the examination. 11th number, hurry up or we will be late for practice. 12th number, the chairman will not come to the meeting or the annual function. Exercise C, here we will join the sentences by using subordinating conjunctions. First number answer, although he began late, he finished first. Second, when I was younger, I thought so. Third, my father is taller than you are. Fourth, we are giving him a farewell because he is leaving. Fifth, if you eat too much, you will gain weight. Sixth number answer, I know that your brother is in London. Seventh number, as he was not there, I spoke to his assistant. 8 number answer, if he does not pay, he must be compelled. 9th, although he ran to the station, he missed the train. 10th number answer, the bird flew away because the cage was open. 11th number, while the musician played, the children danced. 12th number answer, he apologized to the principal as he was sorry for his behavior. Exercise D, correct these sentences. Focus on the use of conjunctions. First number answer, unless. In place of if, you have to write unless. Unless I study hard, I will not do well. Second, take a torch as the night is dark. In place of yet, you will write as. Third, please meet me if you have the time. Fourth number answer, he ran fast, yes, yet he missed the first period. Fifth, he will not come if it rains in the morning. Sixth, the flat is small but it is surprisingly spacious. Seventh, I baked a cake while he studied for his test. 8. She might be inexperienced but she is quite diligent. 9th number is correct. 10. Govind wanted to buy his own house as he had always lived with his relatives.